Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and thanks again for joining me for another cleaning motivational. I decided to throw a short one together for you guys this Sunday and give you guys a little bit of motivation. I have been trying to do some upkeep throughout the week so that I'm not having to excessively clean on the weekends. So I was going to show you guys kind of what I do just to keep my house clean, I guess, so that it's not getting out of hand, because for some reason during this quarantine I feel like my house just keeps getting dirtier and dirtier. So I'm trying my best to maintain that and make sure it doesn't get out of hand like it started to in the first couple weeks of us being all stuck at home. So if you guys are ready for some clean motivation, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't yet, and let's jump into this. I have been trying to get into the habit of making my bed more often. I'm not quite there to a daily basis, but I do make it a couple times a week, and on the weekends it's made. So I'm trying to get in a better habit of doing that. I do enjoy walking into my room when my bed is made. It feels cleaner, and it also helps me to, want to hang out in here and edit when the room is actually clean and the bed's not a mess. So I'm trying to do that a lot more lately. On this day, I wasn't really feeling motivated. I spent the morning with my daughter, and when she went down for a nap, I decided to do some self-care, take a nice hot quiet shower, and just kind of enjoy some alone time. And then I jumped into cleaning, which was making my bed and just kind of picking up my upstairs just to make sure that things weren't left laying around and random things like that.
You stick around, show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know.
I'm not going to be cleaning my bathroom like I would normally on a full bathroom clean. I'm just going to be wiping down my counters and just making sure things are tidy, and I'm going to do the same in my daughter's bathroom.
I think I've waited all these years for you right here, but how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. a cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close.
For those that don't know, we are a military family. My husband is active duty Air Force. He is currently working from home. I get asked a lot if my home is a base house, and it is. We live in base housing, and they all do pretty much look alike. Throughout the years of growing up as a military brat and then also marrying into military and seeing all the base housings, they pretty much all look the same. But I had to point out my husband's beard because being a military wife, it is very, very rare that you get to see your husband with facial hair unless it's one of those terrible mustaches.
And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. I just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings, broken from the start. Wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close, closer than before. But I want you close. Closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking. streets, waking up, yeah, always when we meet, something's still missing. We're still faking it, we pretend that we're good, yeah. Cause to me, when I love, when I feel, I don't want nobody to tell me to slow down. Yeah, we're still faking it, we pretend that we're good, yeah. Cause you know I'm feeling something's missing. No, it's not what
I'm going to go ahead and run a load of my daughter's laundry. I typically do her laundry once a week. I'm going to be using the Shout color catchers, Dreft, and the Stage 2. It's what we have on hand. We got a bunch of them when we registered for our baby shower. A lot of people handed that to us as well. When I do laundry for any of us, I always wash on cold, and the soil level is pretty much around above medium, and then our spin level is above medium as well.
one of us gotta choose, gotta move, gotta dare to speak the truth, cause something's not working. Yeah, I'm done faking it and pretending we're good, yeah. Cause you know I'm feeling something's missing. No, it's not what I had wished for. Let's stop praying for love, yeah. Yeah, I want your heart, I want your body. Come and let me show you what I mean. Let's stop praying for love, yeah. Let's stop praying for love. Let's stop praying for love. Let's stop praying for love, yeah. Let's stop praying for love. Nobody tell me, yeah. Let's stop praying for love. You look at me like
Alright y'all, that is going to be it for this video. I wanted to get something out quick for you guys, to give you guys some quick motivation, maybe help you guys get motivated for the days you're not motivated. I have them quite often. I know I put out cleaning videos, but trust me, I have my days where I'm not cleaning either, and I just choose to relax and do nothing. The days are monotonous here, trying to stay busy, trying to keep up with my house, and try to also spend enough time with my family and enjoy the time that we do have, because I know this will end at some point, and I want to not take any of this time for granted. So I hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, and I hope you guys tune in for Wednesday and Sunday videos. I like to put them both out. I haven't seen that much viewing on the Sundays, so if it's something that you're not enjoying, please let me know in the comments. If you are someone that really enjoys having the extra video a week, let me know, because I'm kind of debating dropping back down to one video just because the other video is not getting very many views, and I'm not sure if it's something that people are wanting to see, a majority of the people, I should say. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Stay safe, y'all.
There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real.